And I'm gonna apply the condensed glue gels. If you're having a really hard time with the crystal placements, charm placement, and they all look so gorgeous, but they are coming off in like a next day or catching a lot on your head, your client's hair, or whatever you do, or you have a press-on business and the client's like, oh my god, it keep coming off, it looks so gorgeous, but then it doesn't look like it doesn't last on mine. So the crystal trifecta, I was really highly recommend it. Do yourself a favor and got that one. Is never betrays on you. So now you can do a Diamond Dust Pixie on this one, or you can add some of the the crystal on.
Yeah, you can put a few main big crystal on, so give your Pixie a little more pop.
Just do a little. You can do any colors. I'm just happen to doing red for is this weekend, because you know it's gonna be probably some of the last nails that we do for Valentine. Happy with this. You can put the centerpiece, which is that you see me do a lot with a lot of different nails. Let's open this. This is good. And always get a tray to catching all your remaining like Pixie. Oh my god, she's so obsessed. It's so cute. Do I get everything? I do get everything. Look at that. Hold on. And I'm gonna catching the like some of the missing part. I'm gonna using this tray for wham it and catch the other. Tap it and make sure you are going to tap on the side to get all the pixies to stay compact together, and they are last actually is really long, like 4 to 6 weeks. Well, unless you're waiting 4 weeks or 6 weeks of the nails, but if you are having the clients doing the special designs, I usually it should last them 4 to 6 weeks, and then go back in 4 weeks. Mostly, the clients will be back in like 4 weeks for the new set. It is so cute. You get the patterns of your foils underneath, and your crystal placement, and your Diamond Dust Pixie. So now we are going to kill this beauty for 60 seconds.